Di ko alam kung ako lang ang nakaranas nito. Nag-apply ako ng bagong GCash account using another Globe number but GCash rejected my application kasi may ibang GCash user na nakaregister using my phone number. Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only. You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks.
Wow!
I can proudly say na isa ako sa mga early users ng GCash using my Globe postpaid number. As early as 2012, mga bills payment ko ay dinaan ko na sa GCash and most of the time, GCash na rin ang ginamit ko pambayad during shopping kasi mas secure gamitin sa payment ang digital wallet kaysa direktang kukunin yung pambayad sa bank account mo or galing mismo sa iyong payroll account using your ATM card. Sa digital wallet, lalagyan mo lang ng pera kung magbabayad ka na. Ganun dapat ang GCash at ibang digital wallet. Huwag niyong gawing parang savings account na lalagyan niyo ng malaking pera. Remember, wallet yun. So I have a prepaid number na naka-register under my name. I bought the prepaid SIM noong March lang mula sa Globe Business Office dito sa Cebu. Doon mismo sa Globe Office, pinaregister ko ang SIM under my name and it was successfully registered. Last month, naisip ko na gumawa ng bagong GCash account using that prepaid number. When you log in sa GCash, may option dyan what account ang gagamitin mo. Since isa lang ang aking account, I enter the prepaid number para gumawa ng bagong account. But to my surprise, I was asked to enter MPIN, Mobile Personal Identification Number. Hindi pa nga ako nakaparegister Bakit hiningan agad ako ng MPIN? Nevertheless, ginamit ko yung MPIN sa aking existing GCash account thinking na baka pwede yun. Pero hindi. So I asked assistant from GCash sa araw na yon, June 19. Nag-file ako ng service ticket via the app at tinugunan naman agad ito ng GCash. Dahil hindi ma-resolve sa level ng agent, nag-escalate yung aking complaint. At sinabi ng GCash na mayroong problema ang aking number and I was even asked kung kailan ko binili ang SIM card. So sabi ko, March lang this year. I was then asked to seek assistance from Globe to clear the status of my number. Pero di sinabi ng GCash, ano ang problema? So, nag-i-insist ako. Okay? Kulit ko Sabi ng GCash, yung prepaid number ko ay naka-register sa isang GCash account under its previous owner or user. Shock. Di ba? I was surprised. So, I asked Globe about it on June 20. Walang feedback mula sa Globe. Okay? After 4 days, GCash asked for a screenshot of the settings in my phone showing my prepaid number para may ebidensya sila to delete the previous GCash account owner. So binigyan ko sila ng screenshot. Pero nagtaka ako, bakit bigla na lang ang GCash ang umaksyon, hindi ang Globe? Nagtanong pa ako sa GCash kung safe ba gagamitin ang number for GCash. So, walang direktang sagot ang GCash. On June 25, GCash says it proceeded with the deletion of the previous owner's GCash account. I was then asked to proceed the registration for new GCash account using the number. Yun, nakakreate ako ng bagong GCash account, my second account using a prepaid number. The next day, June 26, nag-follow up pa rin ako sa Globe kasi tahimik sila Sinabi ng customer specialist nila na my concerns has been forwarded to their support group. Pero hanggang Thursday, July 3, wala akong narinig from Globe. Parang patay mali sila. Hinayaan nila na ang GCash na lang ang mag-resolve sa issue. Ayaw ba ng Globe na malaman na nagre-recycle sila ng number? In my post on Facebook, may nagsabi na nag-recycle ang Globe ng numbers. And that is true. Years ago, nag-apply ko to reinstate my previous postpaid number, but Globe said the number was already reassigned to other subscriber. So, pati pala, prepaid na re-recycle. So that's it. Sa ngayon, magagamit na ang aking GCash account using the recycled Globe prepaid number. Wala pa naman akong transaction nito. Ito yung number, nilagay ko dyan sa bumper na pwede nyo padalahan ng support to this channel. Subukan nyo nga magpadala ng kahit 20 lang para malaman ko kung matatanggap ko yung pera through this account. Okay? I-post ko yung pinadala nyo sa community page dito sa Hightech Tabay. That will be a good help to this channel. Tulad ng sinabi ko dati, di ako bumibili ng product just for review purposes kasi wala akong budget for that. Bumili ako ng product kasi gagamitin ko at the same time, ni-review ko na rin at ginawa ng video. Dami kasi nag-request ng review ng mga products. Hindi ko naman gagamitin yung product na gusto nilang ma-review eh. So, your support will make it happen na ma-review ko ang ibang products na gusto nila. Daghang salamat, bye.